Dear friends, today we have a friend, Sunitha Madam. She's from Bombay. She's working as a gazetted officer in Central Government of India in Bombay. The speciality with her presence in Pendalamanna Amrudam Hospital is that she was suffering a very heavy knee joint pain and was thinking about knee joint replacement and very difficulties in doing her duties, personal life, office life and everything. So we invited her to come and stay sometime in Kerala, and we can hear her experience in the Amrudam Hospital. Especially she was very cooperating to have our Ayurvedic treatment and swimming therapy, hydrotherapy, like that things. We are very much happy to be with her and hear her words appreciating the swimming and Ayurvedic treatment. So we can hear her. Dear Sundaji, just have an idea about what treatment you enjoyed from Amrudam Ayurvedic Hospital.
Okay. Dear friends, I am Sunitha Venugopal. I am based in Mumbai and I am 52 years old. Like doctor said, last few months of for few years I have been having terrible knee joint pain, and when I approached the doctors over there in Mumbai, doctors suggested knee replacement for me. I was little worried, but one of our close family relative, he suggested doctor's name, and myself, my husband and my son came over here to Amrudam Hospital. After consultation, doctor told my husband that you just deposit her over here, we will take care of her. And then accordingly, we took the room over here, we started staying over here. Treatment included yoga, swimming, massages, and along with other Ayurvedic pills. So when doctor said swimming, I was little apprehensive. I thought I can barely walk, how can I do swimming and how can I go to the pool and all . But then the next day doctor took me to Amrudam Poiga, and when I saw the pond over there, I was so much thrilled. Actually the clean water over there, surrounded by beautiful plants and trees and all, and with full greenery and all, I was mesmerized by the beauty of the Poiga. Then under the guidance of doctor and Nalini Chechi over there, the trainer, I started swimming. And every day I enjoyed the swimming, and end of the swimming session, there was another physio sort of exercise doctor used to make us do, that is, which included stretching also, other than this leg rotation and movement and all those things. Doctor started with this stretching exercise. This was something unique that I saw. This I have never seen over there. But then after the full stretching exercise, and with the swimming, I would feel so relaxed. It was very, very different sort of experience for me. Actually, swimming is a very good exercise and a cardiovascular exercise also. Actually, I am very grateful, doctor, that you thought of opening a pond over there rather than constructing some buildings or something over there. Actually, it is a great, a noble service that you have done to the society by constructing pond. And I'm grateful to you, doctor, that you have shown a way to the younger generation how to preserve the environment and how to nurture the natural resources that we have got, and I'm very grateful to you for that also. And like that to say, and I would request all the people in and around this Poiga that you all come and do the swimming over there, because this pond is open to all. Doctor has kept this pond open to everybody, so all can come, and even the non-swimmers can come and learn the swimming, because there is an expert trainer over there. Nalini Chechi is there, she will teach, she is ever ready to teach everybody swimming. So swimming is, non-swimmers can also enjoy the swimming, and swimming as such in the open air and with the morning sunlight and all, it has given me a lot of benefits. I can feel the change in me. Mainly my disease, maybe because of the lifestyle that I used to have in Mumbai with the rush life and all. So I think this lifestyle that what doctor has prescribed for me, like morning yoga, then swimming, and then massaging is there, and heavy massaging that I used to get. So that has and all given me a lot of difference. Like. So doctor, I promise you that I'll try to inculcate these habits of mine in my after going home also in my everyday life. And I again request the people over here in and around Perindalmanna that please avail this facility, because it's a wonderful thing that doctor has done over here. And again I thank Dr. Shali, Dr. Shiba and all the other staff of hospital for taking care of me so much. And doctor, another thing that I'll tell you is I'm sure that my husband is going to get the deposit along with interest. Thank you, doctor, very much for all the services that you have done to me.
Thank you, Sunita ma'am. It was very nice words to us. It is very much interesting, and it will give us too much energy for doing all these things. The word what we had studied from this is that the change of lifestyle, that is the very effective remedy to win all our health conditions. Thank you all.
Thank you.